दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं ब्रजेश सानी फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टकॉम्स। कोविड से रिकवरी के बाद फर्स्ट वीडियो, और आज हम बात करेंगे स्मार्ट मनी मूव्स बाय न्यू मिलेनियल इन्वेस्टर्स। दोस्तों, फर्स्ट सैलरी, फर्स्ट चेक इज रियली अ सेलिब्रेशन टाइम. We celebrate with our family and friends and share gadgets, gifts and parties. Once the celebration is over, we should come to the terms, because money says if you save me now, I will save you in your troubled times. But before starting, I would like to caution you, be safe, be inside your homes, move out only when it is very necessary, and use double mask. Never take COVID very lightly. It is really a dangerous disease and I have suffered it with my family. So please be careful. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel so that you can regularly receive the useful videos I usually prepare for the young generation. दोस्तों, when parties are over, sit with your financial planner. Select a financial planner very carefully, sit with him and discuss your goals, outline them into short term, medium term and long term. Here, role of the financial advisor is very crucial and important. Some youngsters may differ here. They can say that things are available online, I will do all my financial planning myself. I diametrically differ here, because when you fall ill, you go to the doctor, go to the hospital and discuss with the doctor. Although things are also available, they are online. When you go into a legal trouble, you go to the lawyer, go to the court. Things are also available, they are online. Advices are there. But why you go there? Then when it is a case of your successful passage of life financially, when it is the question of your successful retirement, achieving your successful retirement, then why discuss online? Some experienced experts must be discussed, and I have lot of videos, बहुत सारे videos हैं जिनके links मैं ऊपर दे भी रहा हूँ. आप उनको देखिए, आपको समझ में आएगा वाई फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर इज जरूरी. सो दोस्तों, डिवाइड योर गोल्स इनटू शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म, लॉन्ग टर्म. गिव देम ए टाइम पीरियड. नेवर टेक सेवरल गोल्स एट ए टाइम. नेवर. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, गिव द इंपॉर्टेंस टू योर गोल्स, हाउ क्लोज दे आर टू योर हार्ट. Because in troubled times, if you have to compromise with any of the goals, you should not be confused what to left, what to take up forward. This is very crucial, and discuss it, keep it in black and white. Second thing, savings. Of course, for any financial goals you need saving, and saving should be a habit. As an Indian, an average, you should save nearly 30% of your take home salary, and ideal rule is 30% for savings, 30% for your household expenses and 40% for your liabilities. But I have seen some people, some youngsters saving even up to 60 or 70% of their take home salaries, because वो रह रहे हैं with their families. Their liabilities are minimal and their salaries are high. If you are not into that category, hardly matters. But be careful in saving at least 30% and give importance to every single penny. Yes, a saving of only 1,000, an extra saving of only 1,000 per month in SIP may give you up to 35 lakhs at only 12% returns, and 12% returns are easily achievable in SIP over longer durations. You can have a number of examples here. So give importance to every single penny. Number 3, dreams and goals must be realistic. Divide your goals into small, mid and large longer durations. Start with short duration and mid duration goals. Break them into more shorter durations so that when you achieve with your own income these goals, आपका confidence raise होगा, your belief into the system will increase, and when you follow a system your success is assured. So friends, be realistic with your goals. Your goals must be attainable. These must be time bound and these must be realistic. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, गोल्स के लिए कभी भी क्रेडिट कार्ड का यूज ना करें. क्रेडिट कार्ड इज मेंट फॉर हाउस होल्ड एक्सपेंसेस टू यूज द बेनिफिट ऑफ दोज 50 days गिवन बाय देम. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं then there is total chances or complete chances of there that you may fall into debt trap which is more riskier and may pierce you, bisect you. So be sure that goals are realistic. Number 4, emergency fund. Yes, this is the saving set aside by you for your tough times. ध्यान रहे, these funds should be invested only in the funds where you can withdraw your money overnight. And this fund should be equivalent to minimum 6-month take-home salary. During COVID times, some experts even say that you should save at least for 12 months of take-home salary. So when you start saving, start a small SIP for this segment too. This segment must be taken care of very carefully, that your emergency fund should reach your 12-month take home salary. इसके बारे में I have a number of videos. Few of them I am going to share. Links are there. You can see, and these are really beneficial. Number 5, analysis of career expectation. It is the dream of every youngster to get the big packages, big growth throughout his life, but it's never happening regularly. There are going to be the years when you are going to face practically nil growth or even pay cuts. So when you are planning your long-term goals like having own house or your peaceful retirement, you must consider your future salaries here so that you can pay your EMIs or retirement planning funding very smoothly here. And you must consider that some years may be in trouble. More problem is with higher salary starters. They are into the habit of spending more. So when they are spending more, troubled times give them more trouble. So control your expenses, save more in good times for bad times, and you are going to find very smooth retirement. Problem is reverse with low salary earners. They get some big hike in their early years and they make it is a benchmark. वो मान लेते हैं अब उनको ऐसे ही इंक्रीमेंट मिलती रहेंगी, but it never happens. So they increase their expenses accordingly. Again, control your expenses. Again, and use good time savings, more savings during good times for bad times. Another challenge with the youth starting with low salary is low saving rate. Again, I would like to remind you, 1000 becomes 35 lakh at 12% in 30 years. So every single penny counts. Make saving a regular habit. Number 6, pay off your debt. जब भी कोई नया बंदा न्यू जॉब में आता है, द मेजर चैलेंज, मेजर डेट विद हिज इज एजुकेशन लोन, and this is the loan which should be paid off at the earliest because it carries high interest rate. हालांकि आपको उसमें कुछ इनकम टैक्स की रिबेट मिलती है, बट इट इज स्टिल यूजलेस. सो पे ऑफ योर डेट फर्स्ट. Reverse is with the home loan. When you buy a home loan pays you a lot. So here discuss with your financial advisor before closing a home loan, but education loan should be closed first. Another debt trap is credit card bills. Some youngsters fall into habit of using credit cards very regularly, and they easily fall into debt trap. So never compromise with your credit card bills. They charges you as high as even 36% per annum interest plus other charges. So at times I have seen a default of 5,000 credit card bills results into nearly the same amount penalty over 2 or 3 months. So be careful in paying off debt. Number 7, retirement planning. Yes, it is most crucial and very significant long-term goal for each and every single youngster. Plan it judiciously, plan it carefully, and never depend on one product. NPS should be one of the options, but never use insurance linked products because they give you only less than moderate returns. The catch is there, they say you are getting some insurance. Risk is covered. So cover your risk from your liability portion of that 40% expenses and buy a good term plan that will cover all your insurance needs. It should be as high as some crore of rupees, but never take a retirement plan with insurance. Rather take some long-term SIPs in large cap funds which pays well, and you can check it over internet that a number of schemes are there which have paid more than 15% over longer durations. So plan your retirement very carefully, never depend on one product. Number 8, tax planning. This is what which comes to you every year. Your employer asks for the declaration. अपने टैक्सेशन को प्लान ऐसे करिए कि आपके लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स लाइक रिटायरमेंट, होम प्लानिंग, EMI ऑफ होम लोन सेव फॉर योर टैक्स प्लानिंग. There should not be any additional special investment for tax planning. You should adjust with your goals in tax planning, and this is where a financial advisor helps you. Equity markets, last but not least. पिछले 2 साल में मैंने देखा है, आप भी चेक कर सकते हैं इंटरनेट पर, there is a rush for stock market investors, particularly by youngsters. It is good, always good to invest in stock market because it pays well over longer duration in quality stocks only. But unfortunately, I have seen that a good number of these new account holders are into habit of intraday trading or short-term trading. This is where actual risk lies. I was having my own terminal from 1988 to 2010. I have seen that all those intraday traders, only less than 1% were satisfied. And when I am into the mutual fund business in totally now, I have seen 95%, more than 95% satisfied customers. So you can very well imagine what the difference is. So be careful from your intraday trading or short-term profits. Short-term profits are good at times, but not always, because it also carries tax burden. So always try to play long-term investments and only in good equities. This is what I wanted to say you all. Please be careful on all these 9 points. आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने दोस्तों के साथ और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। दोस्तों प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियो, और आपको कुछ अच्छा लगा हो, आपको सलाह चाहते हो तो कमेंट देना भी ना भूलिएगा। मैं ब्रजेश साहनी आपसे फिर रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, कोविड टाइम्स में स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, when you go out use double mask and social distancing। जय हिंद।